value chain. So our goal is to produce 100,000 metric tons of fermented beans by 2022 for the export and domestic markets through a 40% annual increase in production. Our objective is to increase production of cacao by 40% per year, to increase production productivity to 2 kg per tree per year, and to ensure availability of cocoa beans to support and sustain value-adding activities. To contribute the goal and attainment inclusive growth of property allocation through increased farmers' income, at least 100,000 pesos per hectare per year of 100,000 farmers. Increase export sales, at least around $250 million per year. Generate at least 150,000 jobs by that year. So our plan is here. Our strategy is strengthening expansion and promotion. We have to conduct regional conversion and creation of regional cacao industry council. The implementing agencies, the DA, the Department of Trade and Industry, and the Philippine Cacao Industry Council. Conduct investment and techno forum. Establish industry data bank. No. Strategy number 2 is to strengthen market and promotion, still quality standards and certification advocacy, ICCO membership, halal certification, participation to international and regional exhibit fairs, competition, market linkage and referrals, local and foreign, orientation of single origin traceability and GIS, standard development for the Philippine cacao products. So our strategy number 3, we have the increased production and access of quality planting materials. We have establishment of nurseries, botanic gardens, including training, streamlined plant nursery, accreditation and certification, planting materials distribution. So we have the expansion